Good morning, students. Hope you have understood chapter light, that is reflection of light. Means bouncing back of light in the same medium. We also have done laws of reflection, that is first law, the incident ray, the reflected ray and the normal lies on the same plane. Second law, the angle of incidence is always equals to angle of reflection. So students, let's today proceed our chapter light and we will start with types of reflections. There are two types of reflections. First one is regular reflection and second one is irregular reflection. Regular reflection, as you are seeing in the figure, mirror is given PQ, incident ray is coming reflected back. So here in the figure I have shown 4 incident ray. Numbering I am giving here 4 incident ray, and so the 4 reflected ray I have shown you here. From the figure, students, you are seeing that all the reflected rays are parallel to each other. Where all the reflected rays are parallel to each other, that type of reflection is known as regular reflection. Regular reflection occurs in smooth surface. It forms sharp, fine and clear image. And very good example is mirror, because nothing is more smoother than mirror. But students, did you know, in whole universe nothing is 100% smooth. Let's see another one. Irregular reflection. Here you are seeing the reflected rays are not parallel to each other. I have shown only 2 rays. So, when all the reflected rays are not parallel to each other, then that type of reflection is known as irregular reflection. What type of image we are getting in this? So, see here, it occurs in rough surfaces. So, here I have shown the rough surfaces. It forms hazy image. Hazy image, that means image is not clear. And it's very good example is old utensils. If you will see your face in the old utensils, you will see that we are not getting our face clear. It is also known as diffused reflection. So irregular reflection is also known as diffused reflection. Now let's start image. Optical image, because just now you have seen that in regular reflection and irregular reflection we have seen that image is clear or fine in regular, and in diffused reflection image is not clear, that was hazy. So here first of all let's try to understand what is image. From birth till death we are seeing the mirror and we are seeing ourselves. Student, you also hopefully at least twice stands in front of mirror to see yourself. Image is optical representation of an object. Then what do you understand by the word optical representation? Students, say here optics. Optics is a branch of physics in which we study about light. From the word optics only, the optical has came. That means in presence of light, we are seeing the image. So, see here. Image is of 2 types, real image, virtual image. Real image forms refracted rays directly meet at a point. So see here, two reflected rays directly meet at a point, and when both directly meet at a point, that will be the point of image. It can be taken on screen. We are taking photographs of our grandfather before that generations. So what? We are seeing that photos, that is the real image. Real image is always inverted. What do you understand by inverted? Suppose this is a marker, and when I'll just oppose it like this, then it is this type of image is known as inverted. So whatever image the real image is forming, it is always inverted. For example, camera. Come for virtual image. It forms when two reflected or refracted ray seems to meet at a point. So here you see seems, supposed to meet at a point. So these two are reflected ray, and when it is extended backwards, it meet at a point, and this meeting point is the point of image where image forms. It cannot be taken on screen. When we are in front of the mirror, we are able to see our image, and when we move from the mirror, we cannot able to see the image. So it cannot be taken on screen. It is always erect. Means if the marker is like this in front of the mirror, the image will form like this in front. If we are standing, we are also straight. So here erect means straight image. And very good example is mirror, because mirror only can form virtual image.